Hi class, good afternoon. This is the lecture for April 6th. Wow, we're getting into the semester. We will be working in our grammar book and we are going to do something new. And I think you perhaps don't know this at all. So we'll see how you do. We are on page 295. Unit 25. And as you can see in the top here, we're going to talk about gerunds and infinitives. So repeat after me, gerunds, infinitives. Okay, new grammar concepts. All right, so first you should read this passage here. And then notice the blue. Okay, so for example, some people love going. Okay, now you can see people is a subject. Love going, they're like verbs. One is the base form because of people. The other one has ing. Okay. Some people love going to work each morning, but other people hate it. Most of us spend many hours at work, so a career choice is very important. Bob wants to be. Okay, so when there's to be, there's two verbs together. We have the subject Bob, and then wants to be are verbs, right? So sometimes when there are two verbs together, we have an ing on the second verb. Sometimes when there are two verbs together, we have to. Okay? Let's just skip down to here. Here we have enjoy being. So the subject is I, and here we have the verbs. Enjoy being with an ing. Okay, the next one, like talking, ing. Okay, blah, blah, blah. Here's one at the bottom. Love to prepare. Okay, that has a to in it. All right, etc. So I recommend that you read this text 2 or 3 times and just kind of repeat to yourself, okay? Love going, love going, love going. And then try and create sentences about yourself. For example, I love going to a restaurant. Or I love going to see my boyfriend. Or wants to be, that's the second one. I want to be a doctor. Or I want to be a good example for my children. Okay, so practice some sentences with each two verbs that you find, just to get used to the idea of two verbs together. Okay, now one kind with the ing is called the gerund. And the one with the to is called infinitive. All right, so we'll go to page 297. Okay, we're now at page 297. And here we have a lot of examples. Okay, so a gerund has the ing. I enjoy dancing. That's the second verb with the ing. Okay, an infinitive has the to. She wants to sing. Okay, so sometimes, okay, so one very important thing that I should mention here. Okay, I have my marker board here. I enjoy dancing. I'll copy this here. I enjoy. I enjoy dancing. Okay, now is this correct if I say this? Okay, I enjoy to dance. Does that sound correct to you? It is not correct. You cannot say to dance. That sounds funny for a native speaker. We do not talk like that. We always use the ing when it comes to enjoy. Okay, the next one. She wants to sing. Okay. I'll transfer it over here. Okay, she wants to sing. How about this? She wants singing. All right. Now this one we can do, she wants to sing with the to. But does she want singing? Does that sound correct in English? What do you think? No, it doesn't. Singing, you have to put to sing. All right. However, there are some verbs in the English language. For example, they like, the verb like. Okay, you can put they like driving or they like to drive. Both the gerund and the infinitive in this example are good. Okay, now here we have a chart. And of course, this is a small chart. There are many more examples that we can use, but these are verbs here in this column that only take a gerund. Okay, so the verb number 2 in the sentence has an ing. These verbs here only take infinitive. This means the verb number 2 has to in front of it. Okay, so let's go on here. Let's say plan on. Okay, I plan on passing my class. Okay, here we have the ing right here. Okay, you cannot say I plan on to pass. You can only use the ing. One more example. Keep. I keep making the same, mistake. Okay, again, ing. All right, only ing. I cannot say I keep to make the same mistake. Okay, now verb plus infinitive. Let's try hope. I hope to leave my house someday. Sorry. Okay, I hope to leave. You can't say I hope leaving. It has to be I hope to leave my house someday. Okay, let's do one more. Agree. We agreed to call each other every night. Okay. We agreed to call each other every night. So to. Notice that this is a past tense. Same thing. It doesn't matter what tense you have. This always remains the same. You either use an ing or you use to. Now, there are, of course, some verbs, because English is difficult, that can do an infinitive or a gerund. Okay, let's take love. She loves to dance. You can say that, or you can say she loves dancing. Okay, both are correct. So you can use to or ing. It doesn't matter with love. Let's do prefer. I prefer to eat Chinese food. I prefer to eat Chinese food. I prefer eating Chinese food. Okay, so either one works. To eat or eating. Okay? All right, I hope this tutorial or this lecture was helpful. There is more to say about gerunds and infinitives, and I will say it next time. So I'll see you today at 1:30 for a live lecture. All right, bye.